Hello, sewing and sewing friends. Because I don't have 1,000 viewers, I don't have a community page to post videos of other things that I do. So I thought I'd make a short video of one of my other hobbies that I love, and that is when I'm sitting on the couch watching TV, I like to crochet. And I like to crochet washcloths, dish towels. But you know what? Sometimes when I'm crocheting these, I'm like, man, if I can just keep making a whole bunch of these little squares and put it together to make a robe, that would be absolutely fantabulous, but I'm not that motivated. So anywho, let me just show you. And I got all of these patterns off of YouTube where you're watching this or where you can go get it. This is one design. So I did this one last night while I was watching, what was I watching? Okay, I made this while I watched Gemini Man. And then I made this one while I was watching some horror flick, and then finished it up while I was watching Little. If you haven't seen that movie, Little, it is hysterious. It's a cute design. This is just a single stitches. It's a single stitch all the way back and forth. Whereas this one right here is a single stitch and a double stitch in one stitch, and then you skip another stitch, and then you do another single and double, and you do that back and forth, and you put trim around it. So those are fun to make. These are going to be my washcloths for my face. And I made this one when I had I broke my foot. I like these. These are like little nubs, and so all this is a single stitch and then a triple stitch, single stitch, triple stitch, and then when you go back the other way, it's just single stitches, and then the next row is single stitch, double stitch. So I like this. This was supposed to be a gift, but things didn't turn out like that. And then also this one right here. These are all 100% cotton. And this right here is the same as the other one, which is a single stitch and a double stitch in the same stitch, and then you skip one and you go back and forth. So yep, I like sewing and I like crocheting, and I mentioned woodwork. So this piece that it's on is it's a stove top cover that I actually made, and it has hooks, and then I hang it up on the wall. So here's some of my decor. I am very much into farmhouse design. Those are the shades that I made in my kitchen. It's the outside snowing, pool's covered with snow. Okay. So anyways, that's just another peek into some of my other hobbies. Thanks for watching.